So the other day I got this Bellini C41 Developing Kit. It looks pretty easy to do. So in this video, it's going to be a real quick video. I'm going to mix all this stuff up. So if any of you guys are researching on how to do this, I'll let you know how this goes. And the kit cost me £40 plus delivery. And out of this kit, I'll probably get about 12, maybe 13 rolls of film if I'm lucky. So it's not the cheapest, but apparently it's one of the best, so let's give it a try. In the kit you've got your developer, your fixer, stabilizer, which is like a rinse aid, and you've got your bleach, 1 litre of bleach as well. That doesn't need to be diluted or bottled, it's already in there ready to use. This and this needs to be bottled and diluted. So I've got my bottles, I've got one there for developer, I've put the date on there as well, 27th of Feb, got one for the fix and one for the stabilizer. And I've also put these markings here. There's 13 marks there, so every time I develop a roll of film, I just cross one off and I know how many rolls that developer has developed. So let's start off with the developer. And Bellini give you this instruction sheet here. It's in Italian and also in English as well. There's your mixing instructions, but I'll put this information in the description if anyone wants to have a read of this. It says fill up with 740 millilitres of water, warm water. So this is about 35 degrees. So we'll go 740 millilitres of this stuff. And then all I need to do now is add the developer, make that up to 1000 millilitres. In goes the developer. And then pour that into my development bottle and that's ready to use. Screw on the cap nice and tight. So there's my developer ready to use. Right, so I've just washed my jug, ready for the fixer. So 500 millilitres of warm water again. And then add to that 500 millilitres of fix, make 1 litre. And we'll bottle that. Put the lid on nice and tight. That's the fix done. And the last thing to do is the stabiliser. Let's clean the jug again. So the stabiliser is 100 millilitres and it makes 10 litres. So all I need to do is put 1 litre of the water in. There's 10 millilitres of that stuff. So next up, let's see if this stuff works. I've already shot a roll of colour film, so let's go through the development quickly and see the results afterwards. So I'm starting the development process and first of all I'm going to fill up my tank to 38 degrees to keep the chemicals at the right temperature whilst I'm developing. I'm using this tank, but you can use buckets or the bowl in the sink or whatever. I use the microwave to get each chemical up to 38 degrees and then I place them in the tank with a heater to keep them at the right temperature. And just a quick check with the thermometer before I start to develop. The developer has to be exactly 38 degrees. Now my chemicals are ready, I just need to get my developing tank to the right temperature. So I'm filling it up with water at 38 degrees, a pre-soak if you like. And this has to be for 3 minutes according to the instructions. Inversions don't matter, all you're doing is getting the film and the tank warmed up. Now that's done, I can start my development. So the development time is going to be 3 minutes 15 seconds on the timer. I pour in the developer and start my inversions, which is continuous for the first 15 seconds and then 5 inversions every 30 seconds until the time is up. Once that's done, I can pour the developer out and I can put that back in the developer bottle and use it again. Just make sure that everything's labelled so you don't start mixing them up. Now the development's done, you can relax a little bit. The bleach and the fixer is a little bit more forgiving than the developer with temperature. Straight in with the bleach now. You notice that I'm not wearing any gloves. I should have done really because my tanks were leaking and it was going everywhere. But you know, hey ho, each to their own. And then the bleach, that just needs 45 seconds of time. I inverted the tank throughout the whole 45 seconds and at the same time I poured the developer back into the bottle. I should have used more jugs to put the chemicals back in the bottles after the whole process, but I didn't. I only used 1 jug and kept cleaning it in between. Now the bleach is done, it's onto the fixer. In goes the fixer and this is fixing for 3 minutes on the timer with the same inversion process as the development. Now this confused me because when the fixer went in it was clear, and when it came out it was the same colour as the bleach. I don't quite know why, maybe the film's layer dyes were coming off. And now the last part is the stabiliser, or otherwise known as the wash. You don't need to use any water to wash the film, just use the stabiliser that you've mixed up. And I did this for 3 minutes, and then whilst I was cleaning up I took the film out of the tank and just left it in the jug of stabiliser. And that's it, that's the whole process done. So the negatives came out as well as expected and looked like any other colour film negatives, or at least to me. We've got pictures. We'll get these scanned and see what they look like next to my black and white negs there that I did earlier. Let's hang these out to dry. I scanned the negatives and this is my results. I used a Fuji 6x9 camera, so I only have 8 test shots, and I let Photoshop auto correct the colour, and I'm pleased with the results that I've got. Now I know the whole process works, I can shoot a bunch of colour film that I have in the fridge before the chemicals go kaput. And as the developer can be reused, all I need to do next time I'm developing film is add a little bit more time to the development the more films that I develop. So I hope this has been useful to anyone. One thing's for sure, at least I can refer back to this video next time I go on a colour film mission with the Bellini C41 kit. And as always, if you've got any more to add to this video, stick it down in the comments for myself and others to read. Cheers guys.